Alright you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Rosie and I do tons of random content. But today I want to share with you another what's in my bag, and today is a work bag edition, and this bag came to me from the brand Tomtoc, and they are a brand that primarily sells over on Amazon, and I will include any links for both the accessory pouch and the bag itself down in the description below. But many of you know that I in fact do not actually work. What is even a job, right? But I am actually a stay-at-home mom to my two little ones, but I do like to classify what I do as my work. So I do tons of content creation, especially for my crochet side of my content, and then also my lifestyle stuff. So I have everything that I need for that in this bag. Now, I guess before I get to the whole what's in my bag for like my work stay-at-home mom edition, maybe something like that, I do want to explain to you guys the bag itself. And oh my goodness, I truly did underestimate this bag itself, because let me tell you, I saw in the description that it is, first of all, you can fit a 16-inch laptop in here, and I'll get into all the aspects of that later on, but it said in the description that this bag is actually water resistant. I tested it out myself because as a on-the-go mom, very busy, always having to have some sort of juice, bottles, everything, etc. You know what I'm talking about, in your bags all the time on the go. And carrying electronics also in here, it's very iffy to mix liquids and all of that stuff. And I tell you that this thing is a must for that, because it actually does have a pouch on the side to carry a water bottle. And I actually tested it itself, and I was able to carry like a little body armor and a water bottle in the same exact pouch. Nothing moved. Everything was honestly so perfect. So with the bag itself, on the outside, it comes with these really long straps, and the back also comes with this little zipper that you can unzip. And it actually comes like, there's this like fold for you to like attach it to your luggage, so that the luggage strap goes through here and the bag just sits on top of your luggage. That way you're not lugging it around with everything. It is honestly brilliant. And there's actually a pocket back here as well. There isn't a zipper. It's kind of just magnetic closure, which I still do love. But the actual front of the bag, it honestly looks really, really seamless. But there is actually a hidden pocket here in the front as well, which comes with a zipper and is honestly so brilliant. This bag has so much room for so many things. It's honestly insane. But as you can see, my bag itself is honestly filled to the brim, because again, I am a mom. I'm on the go all the time, so I always need to be prepared. I'm always one of those people that like, I'd rather be over prepared than not prepared for anything that ever happens or comes to happen on the road. But here's a little look at what is inside, and just to show you guys, there is so much space to put so much stuff in here, so many compartments. So on this side of the bag, on the back side, there is actually, as you can see here, there is an elastic band that when you undo it, there is a huge compartment in the back to fit your laptops. And I actually don't use my laptop anymore because it is just so outdated, so slow, that any video editing has now been so frustrating to do. So now I do all of my video editing on my iPad here. It is sticker bombed by my daughter, but I do carry my iPad with me everywhere that I go, because I do happen to be, if I happen to be passenger princess, I do like to still work on any videos that I can edit, or even maybe I don't even need to edit anything. Maybe my daughter just needs some extra entertainment on the road, so it's always there. And then any important paperwork that I have on me that I need for any appointments or anything for the day, I always carry that in that same pocket. And so let me take that out for you guys. So now that that is empty, in the second pocket that I have, since you guys know that I always make tons of crochet content, I always like to carry some sort of whip, some sort of work in the progress project with me on the road. And I have this checkered beanie that I have working on, and I just slowly work on it while I'm on the road. But I secure that into the back pockets back here just so that it doesn't get caught into anything else that I throw into my bag. And this is where it kind of gets a little awesome for me as a crocheter on the go, because if I don't carry any bottle of waters, any liquids in that little holder here on the side, I actually have been just putting my crochet yarn balls in there. So all of my yarn is just nicely tucked away in this holder. That way it doesn't get mumbled jumbled with everything else. And honestly, that part is just so chef's kiss for me, because everything has its place, and now my crochet doesn't get ruined in my bag. I love that. But in the middle, it's just this huge compartment, as you can see. And I think the bottom of the bag spans like 4 inches, so a lot can fit in here. And in there, I simply just have diaper, an extra grocery bag, reusable bag, and then an extra hand towel. Is my favorite little Miffy hand towel that I absolutely love to bring with me everywhere that I go. But after that, as you can see, it's pretty empty now. Next, on the other side of the bag, which is considered to be the front side, there are several compartments. Obviously, in the biggest one, which is the zipper in the front of the bag, I carry like my necessities that I always need to have on me, no matter what bag I carry. So that being obviously sanitary things, sanitary towels. My sunglasses are in there. Lotion, because your girl is dry. And then some sort of napkins or tissues, because the kids are always just messy. You never know when you might need them. Next thing that I carry is a little pack of fruit snacks, because again, the kids always need some sort of like snack on the go. I do have this antiseptic towelettes also, because you never know when you might need them. I'm telling you, I'm always better prepared than never prepared. So yeah. Next, I always have some sort of random business card, because everywhere that I go, I always try to pick up their business card, because you never know when you might want to give them a call. I don't know. I just like to be prepared. All right. So with that zipper being done, there are only 3 pockets left in this bag. In the first pocket, I have a bag of cereal because we always need snacks. Next, I have a straw, because we always need straws. And then I have my other pair of glasses in there as well, because depending on the day, my makeup, my style, or if I'm wearing my headphones, if I wear my headphones, I like to switch out to these glasses. If not, I usually just wear these. In the next pocket, the little middle pocket that I have a pen and a crochet hook I change out my crochet hook depending on whatever project I bring with me on the road. But in the last pocket, I have receipts. I recently bought these like clear piercing holders, earrings from Walmart. That is because I'm planning on getting an MRI soon. So in order to keep everything that I have, any piercings that I have from closing, I want to be prepared and switch them out the day before and stuff, and not like be rushing, you know. And the last thing is my wallet. In here, I have all sorts of credit cards, any other business cards, or any stuff like that I need to have for any appointments during the day. And yeah, that is literally it that this bag holds. And this bag is amazing. This bag is amazing. Honestly, you don't even need to be a working person to have a work bag. If you are a mom in and of itself, if you just need some sort of bag like this, and this one is chef's kiss. I honestly never thought I would say that, but it is. And another thing that I do keep in that bag is this little accessories pouch that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. This accessories pouch has become such a nice addition to the bag, because the back, by the way, has this like little thing back here where you can like you can honestly use this as like a bag itself, like a little wristlet. That's why it has a little wristlet thing over here on the side, or you can just use it to attach to other stuff. But it does have a little place for you to add little keychains and stuff like that too. But what I absolutely love about it is that there are so many compartments for you to put things in. So here is basically what I have mine stuffed to the brim with. And like I said, since this is like my work bag, I always like to keep stuff that I can do my work out of. So like my content creation videos and stuff like that. And usually the phone mount that I am using right now, I usually keep it in here as well because I want to be able to have anything that I need to make my creation, my videos ready to go, just all in one big bag. So along with that, the first thing that I have in this little accessories pouch is my microphones. One of them I am using right now, but I always have them in here ready to go and charged. And I also have the little like the little sound muffler thingies with it here, the other one. And I also have a always on the go charger for my Apple Watch. Next thing that I have is my little SD card holders and readers. So these, honestly, I loved using them because especially with my digital camera that I would carry around a lot in Japan, any memory cards, you just stick them onto the end. And then I have both because I used to have the older version of the iPhone. So that's why I have this one, but I do have an C-type reader as well. So now I'm just using this one all the time, but it honestly is awesome to have these because you can directly import and export pictures from your devices to wherever else you need to. Next, I have a couple of chargers, and both of these are for different types of chargers. One is like the USB-C and the other one is like a micro USB. Reason for it is for my what is it called? I forgot the little camera, the one that's like for action. It's like really small. I forgot what it's called, but it's for that one because I do tend to carry it around for our family moments. And then another thing that I carry in here is honestly all of this. As you can see, it is honestly empty now, but I will go through this with you. And this is just, first of all, hand sanitizer. Obviously, when you are dealing with little kids or just in general going out in public, you always use hand sanitizer. Next thing is my on-the-go body perfume, body spray. This is the Bombshell by Victoria's Secret. And next I have my eye drops because your girl has dry eye, sadly. A gift card that I still have not used to Toys R Us. I don't even know if there's a Toys R Us here on Island, by the way, but anyways. Next I have my two favorite lip glosses / lipsticks. This is by Tear. This one is the lip plumping one, and this one is more of like a lip gloss / chapstick at the same time. I absolutely love it. And next I have the Nivea one. This is a like color staining chapstick type. It is also really beautiful, but I got all of those in Japan if you're wondering. But that is it for my what's in my work bag video. Honestly, let me know what you guys thought of the bag and the accessories pouch itself. I honestly love this bag. It just carries so much. It's so versatile for a day working, for a day just out with your kids, with your family. Literally so versatile. I absolutely love it. If you guys want a bag for yourselves or an accessory pouch for yourselves, I will link everything down in the description below. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. And lastly, thank you so much for tomtoc for sending me these items because I absolutely appreciated them more than what I thought I would. To be completely honest, you just don't know until you try. And that was definitely the case with these items. I honestly didn't think that like, oh, maybe, you know, I'll just like it just because it's a bag. But no, how much it fits and the way that things fit in this bag is honestly incredible. And I absolutely have been enjoying it so much lately. I literally use it every single day. But thank you all again tomtoc and everybody who is watching so much for watching, for being here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.